Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE X97 Pro and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the app which will provide us with the keyboard, so like messages, notes, the browser, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen. And basically, right here, we have to enter the settings, which should be at this panel. If you cannot see them, no worries. Just tap on the three dots icon and the settings will appear there. So let's tap on the settings, tap on the languages, and as you can see, this is the list of all currently applied languages. We've got only English. So let's tap on Add Keyboard. And here we've been transferred to the full list of all available keyboards from which we can choose. So as you can see, this list is so wide and I'm pretty sure that you will find the one you'd like to use. If you don't want to scroll, you can just tap on the search area and type the name of the language. After finding it, just tap on it and sometimes you will be able to pick the region. Also, depending on the language, you will be able to pick different keyboard modes, so just like the handwriting, etc. Sometimes you will be able to use even up to 7 different keyboard modes. It's, as I said, up to the language. So let's pretend I want to use this one. So let me mark it and untick this option. I want to use only one keyboard mode. So let's tap on Done. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied to this list. So right now we can go back to the keyboard and check. And basically here we will have two differences. So the first one, the language key, the globe icon, which will allow us to actually change the language, and the spacebar, which is not empty. Right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using. So right now I'm typing kind of English, and after tapping on the globe icon, I can easily switch to the other one. And the same situation, again English. So this is basically how to add the language to the keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you don't really need like 2 or 3 different languages added. You just want to change it and have only one. So then we have to enter the settings again. Tap on the languages, and here in this step we have to tap on this edit icon. Right now we have to mark the language we would like to remove. So let's pretend I want to remove the other one and tap on the trash bin icon. As you can see, we've got only English left, and after getting back to the keyboard, you can see that we do not have the language key and the spacebar is empty, which simply means that we've got only one language applied. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your DOOGEE X97 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.